Now let's learn about the Academic One file. From the Crowley ISD homepage, you can click on Parents and Students, and then you can scroll down to Library Resources. And we want to select CISD School Libraries, and then you can pick your school. I'm going to choose Crowley Middle School, and we see our assembly populating over here. This is our graphic organizer of all the websites that we like to use, and so I'm going to go over to TextQuest and Digital Content for Research to find our Academic One file. And here it is right here, the first one on our list of resources that we recognize. Academic One file is the premier source of peer-reviewed scholarly content that you will need to find for your reports. As I open it up, you notice that you have the ability to, first of all, change the directions from English to other languages if you like. You can also sign in with your Google Classroom. You can sign in with Microsoft. You can sign in with your Google Drive. We have Microsoft 365 here in Crowley, and so hopefully you can sign in with that and have your selected resources seamlessly saved to your cloud. It's very easy to do that. So now, as we go down, we can see we can instantly search for any topic we're interested in. We can scroll on down and browse by discipline. We can also go to Topic Finder because maybe we don't really know exactly what we want to do research on, and I want to go there first. Okay, in the Topic Finder, in the top left right corner, we see a search bar. And let's say I want to do a report on printing, let's say, because I am actually going to be looking for digital printing, maybe even 3D printing. And what do you know? Here is a whole part of the wheel on 3D printing where we can go in and get resources. And then also in digital printing, we have 3D printing. I'm just going to click here. And we have 8 articles on that. And here is one that I think is interesting about dental work. It's a video. Dental work goes digital with 3D printing devices. We noticed that it was copyrighted in 2014, which is not too recent. I mean, not too far back. So it's a recent article, which gives validity to it. I can play the video from here. I can listen to the text of the video, which I'm going to do now.
Video. Dental work goes digital with 3D printing devices.
Okay, and so if I did not want to hear that in English, we come over here to Translate Article, and Google Translate lets us translate into a multitude of language, but I'm going to choose Spanish. And we see how easily that changes so that we can appreciate that translation. So I'm going to go back to English. If we want the citation for it, it's here that we can copy and use in a bibliography. There's also tools that you can use too if you would like to. We can email it to ourselves. We can download, and this is what you just saw a while ago on the citation tools. We can instantly save this to our Google Drive or OneDrive if we would like to, which is really awesome. We can print this. We can highlight it. We can save it to a folder, which also saves in your OneDrive. We can download it as an MP3 because maybe we want to listen to it on a device, or maybe we want to make sure it doesn't buffer when we're presenting it to a class, so we want to do that. Or we can share it to a multitude of accounts. So I want to show you one more thing, the bookmark. This is a great thing to know. Bookmark actually means permanent link. So you click bookmark, you get the permanent link, which you can copy. You can paste it into a web page, into your class website. You can create a QR code with it if you'd like to. It's just the permanent link that will take you to this video, and the students can access it without having to go through all of the hoops to get to it. So, just wanted you to know that. If we go up here to More and do the drop down, you can see that we instantly have a dictionary to look up definitions. We can highlight things, and here's the folder that we were keeping. I'm going to save to folder and show you how that works. So you see it instantly comes in here. And if I go ahead and sign into my Microsoft, which is probably better to do before, but anyway, it'll take you to the place where you want to sign in. And so I have this dental work in my folder. So if I go to if I go and check on my cloud, it will have a folder that says Academic One File Gale, and this will be in it. So that's very helpful to know. So I want to go back to the beginning here. Browse by discipline. This is an easy way to go into things that we might be interested in. I'm just going to click on maybe history. And from history, I opened up economic history, and now I'm at this interesting article, Classicists Crunch Data to Test Hypotheses about Greece. So I'm just going to open it. You notice that the full text of the article is here. You can listen to it like I showed before in English, or you can translate it to whatever language you need to. You can save it to your folder. You can highlight it, you can print it, you could save it to your OneDrive. It will appear in my cloud shortly, as you see. And I could cite it if I wanted to. There's also related resources. So, I just wanted you to get a good feel for Academic OneFile, and I hope that you'll enjoy using it. Thank you, and I'm going to go back to the home screen, and yes, and I hope that you have much success with Academic OneFile. Thank you very much.